mod 1 for the seated spine twist, starting with your sits bones on the floor. So those are those two little bones at the bottom of your bum. From here, you're going to start with that left foot in dorsiflexion, extend the left leg, and then draw that right knee up towards the chest. The first action here is just to get a nice long spine. So as we start to begin the twisting, we're moving around the axis of the spine, not with a flexed round spine, but with a nice extended spine. So just holding here and working on building the strength along those spinal muscles. Breathing, eyes are forward, and then maybe just starting to find a little rotation to the right. Take one more breath. Every time you inhale, think of breathing through to the crown of the head, and then as you exhale, squeeze the lower belly in and feel how that action moves the body. As you release, let your eyes begin the movement. So look forward to release the spine. Take a breath, big inhale, and let go. And make sure you do the second side.